Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use CryptoRank. CryptoRank is a powerful platform designed to give you a complete overview of the cryptocurrency market. It helps you track real-time prices, understand market capitalization, and analyze trading volumes for thousands of digital assets. Whether you are just starting out or are an experienced investor, CryptoRank offers valuable insights to guide your decisions. Let's dive into CryptoRank's key features. You can access real-time price charts and extensive historical data for a wide range of cryptocurrencies, helping you spot trends. The platform also allows you to monitor your personal portfolio performance with detailed analytics, showing your profit and loss. Furthermore, you can utilize powerful research tools, including comprehensive initial coin offering and token generation event calendars, to stay ahead. To effectively analyze crypto data, CryptoRank offers robust filtering options. You can easily filter cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, trading volume, or even specific categories like decentralized finance or non-fungible tokens. Use the advanced charting tools and indicators to identify market trends and patterns. Plus, comparing different assets side by side helps you evaluate their performance and potential, aiding in informed investment decisions. To maximize your CryptoRank experience, consider these advanced tips. Set up custom price alerts to receive instant notifications for significant market movements, ensuring you never miss an opportunity. Explore the comprehensive analytics section for in-depth reports on various crypto projects, offering a deeper understanding. Finally, engage with the vibrant CryptoRank community to gain diverse perspectives and insights, enhancing your overall market knowledge.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.